Hi, today we're gonna be making my mom into a princess. Let's see, first we're gonna start with lipstick. Ah! Drop the lid. No? Give it a few seconds, you'll be pretty. Still, don't do that. Oh, God. You're so movie. You move. All right. Right, go ahead. Okay. Okay. And now we put the lid on. Eyeliner.
Oh, mascara.
Yes, mascara. It was right here, there. So, close your eyes. Hang on. Ah! Put that there. Don't roll. Okay. Happens all the time. Don't worry. Okay. And another. All right. Open up. You look beautiful. Okay. Put this back in. Okay. Magical. Okay. Yeah. How does this
help?
Yeah. Okay. While we're at it, I'm still gonna look. Okay. I'm gonna let Mommy choose what colors. Do you want me to use, or do you want to do this little packet?
I like this one.
Okay. Which brush? You want this brush or this brush?
Which one do you think?
I think you should choose.
Wow.
Which one would you pick?
Can we do these right in here?
You want this one?
Yeah.
But this one's my favorite.
Well, this one, yeah. We'll do that one.
And which brush?
You can use the smaller ones.
Smaller one. Okay. This one?
Yep.
Okay, close eyes. Okay. It's a little rosy. Get that off. There we go. Now let's get the other eye. You are looking beautiful already. Okay. Put that in there. You want to see?
Yeah.
How is it?
Wow. Pretty nice.
Try it around.
That's nice.
And then for lasters. We have lipstick again.
Okay, good.
More lipstick. So like extra pretty.
Oh, like gloss.
Yeah, you want lip gloss? Yes. Okay. I mostly use this. This is so hard to open. It's slippery. Oh, it's the other side. Oh no, it's not. You want light pink?
Sure.
Wait, I'm making sure that if this side doesn't open. Yeah, it doesn't open. Just, I'm filling out the parts that I didn't really get last time to make it glittery and pink. And done.
Do you need more?
No. Oh yeah. Yes. Over here, it's really. Oh, that's glittery. It's pretty glittery. Okay, put that in. Ooh. Where is it? Well, I guess I put it downstairs. If I'm able to, am I able to go downstairs and get one of the best things that I need to use? Stick skin stuff, stick stuff for your skin.
Oh.
I use it for my skin. Mommy, start talking.
Okay.
Say how good it is.
Okay, I love this one. So good.
Thing. I just put it on my skin.
Oh.
It's like makes it like a little darker.
Oh, like
I use
bronzer?
Yeah, I use it like all the time. All right, close your eyes so it's a surprise.
Oh,
Yeah. That's pretty already. Look at it. It's like, see that? It's like, do you see a little bit of darkness?
Yeah, that's so nice.
It's like a dark color. There we go. Okay, I think it needs a little. on your forehead. Oh, I see that. I actually see it. I'm gonna put that in. I'm just gonna put it in here. My makeup palette. Get it? Makeup palette?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to put this in?
Oh, yeah. And bippity boppity, bippity bop. You are a magical princess.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Subscribe.